Everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is abdurray.com. So if you are curious to know about find out the reviews on this website, watch the video till the end. Abdurray is the e-commerce store that have a wide range of items, like they have clothing, electronics, furniture, canned food, power tools, kitchen utensils, etc. Like you can enjoy the shopping like on very cheap prices. Like every product is under $99, like TV stand, sweatshirts, table and drills. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. It was created on 31st May 2021. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $75. Shipping period is about 4 to 7 days. You can return the product within 30 days. But on their official website, they have not mentioned the refund period, like how many days you can refund the product. They are accepting different payment methods. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching their domain name, and it can be a negative sign. They have mentioned the contact details and location. The positive point of shopping from Abdurray are it is HTTPS secured website. It is providing a free shipping to domestic shoppers on the purchase of $75 and above. It holds a wide range of multiple products. The negative point of ordering from Abdurray are the website is poorly designed. Its interface is a lot more similar to various scam website. It has kept its product price under 99. Its social media links are invalid. The website is freshly founded. So the question is Abdurray legit? As we are discussing different points regarding this website, and we are not recommending any one of you to shop from any unpopular and newly founded website, as in these days internet frauds are increasing constantly. So we are here to help out to check out the details of this website. So it was created on 31st May 2021, just for 1 year. It will expire on 31st May 2022. We are unfortunate to find customer review. Its Alexa ranking is extremely poor. As far as trust index score is concerned, it is just 2%, and trust rank is about 38.3% out of 100. They have not discussed the policies clear. Like we can say that their policies are unclear and rigid. The company specified address is not valid. The website holds low quality content and in fact copied content. So in our conclusion, we can say that as we have uh, researched on this website thoroughly, so we can say that this as the store is founded in May, which is too early. In addition to that, the similar user interface shared by several other spam portals. Furthermore, we have received negative remarks from certain reliable sites. So it is clarified that Abdurray is a scam website, so we are recommending you to stay away from this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views with us. Write in the comment box regarding your experience of shopping from this store.